Hello, fabulous fourth grade online learners. Today we are going to remember some ways to analyze sentences. As you can see, I've already done my first one, but we're going to talk about it and then we're going to analyze the next few. The eager parents watched patiently. Well, the very first thing I did was think to myself is, who is this sentence about? It's the parents, so they're my subject. Then I think, what are the parents doing? Well, they're watching. So that's my predicate verb. Then I'm going to say, how are they watching? They're watching patiently. That's my adverb. And then I'm going to come over here to the and eager. Eager is an adjective because it's describing parents. The is an adjective because it's one of the articles, a, an, or the, and it's always an adjective. So let's look at B. Little dancers twirled merrily around. Okay, in my head, I'm going to think to myself, what is the subject of my sentence? Who is this sentence about? Well, they're about the dancers, so I'm going to put my S and my underline. What were the dancers doing? What's my predicate verb? They were twirling. I'm going to double underline it and put PV. How were they twirling? Well, they were twirling merrily, and it's got that ly, which tells me it's most likely an adverb. So I'm going to write ADV, and I'm going to show what it's modifying. They're merrily and twirled. Now I'm left with around and little. So around would be an adverb as well, because it's telling me how something happened. They were twirling around. Little is telling me what kind of dancers I have, so that's going to be an adjective. They were little dancers. Let's move on to C. 9 additional dancers joined in. Well, our subject is still dancers. And what did those dancers do? They joined. Where did they join? They joined in. Okay. 9 is telling me what kind of dancers I have. I have how many dancers, so that's my adjective. And then I've got this word additional. What could additional be? Well, let's think to myself. Can it be an adverb? Is it asking the question how, when, where? Or can it be an adjective because it's describing? Additional is going to be an adjective because it's telling me that there are more dancers. All right, let's try one more. Afterward, the attentive parents clapped loudly. Well, who's my subject? Who is my subject? What is my sentence about? It's about parents. What did they do? They clapped. How did they clap? Loudly. That's an adverb. They're telling me how they clapped. Then I've got afterward, the, and attentive. The is an article. It's always going to be considered an adjective, so I'm going to go ahead and mark it as such. Afterward is telling me when it happened, so this is going to be our adverb. And attentive is describing my parents, so this is going to be my adjective. That's describing parents. Now, 2 says on the lines provided, list the adjectives from the above sentences. Do not include articles, so we are not going to include the. My first adjective is eager. My second adjective is little. I've got 2 more adjectives, 9, and additional. And then I've got attentive. All right. I know that it's been a while since we've done some analyzing of our sentences, and I know we might be a little bit rusty on it, but the more that we practice, the better that we will become. It is now your job to go and find the classroom assignment. You should be already in the classroom assignment, but what you're going to do is you're going to find what you're working on inside the actual assignment, and it's going to be called WOL practice page. Now you can either print it out if you have a printer and use the page, or you can use the Google slide and type in your answers above, just like I did over here, above the sentence. Have a great day.